Hello everyone, welcome to Mercury Global Dubai, guys. My name is Rahul Samuel. Today I have a very special vehicle for you guys. It's the Mercedes-Benz GLS580 MBS Edition. Now this is no ordinary GLS, guys. It has been upgraded by MBS Automotive to provide the ultimate luxury and comfort for the drivers and the passengers.
If you're looking to purchase this vehicle or install these seats in your existing vehicle, contact Mercury Global Dubai through any of the channels listed in the description below. We are exporters of passenger and commercial vehicles and auto accessories since 1998, and we are the official distributor for MBS Automotive Seating. Don't forget, MBS Automotive also handcrafts luxury seats for the G-Wagon, the V-Class, the Toyota Land Cruiser, and the Lexus LX. For more exciting automotive content, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram at Mercury Global Dubai. This GLS comes in a beautiful cabin-side blue metallic, and under the hood you'll find a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with EQ boost, producing 483 horsepower. Let's start off in the rear passenger cabin, as this is where MBS Automotive really demonstrates its excellence. The standard GLS comes with a 7-seat configuration. However, this GLS comes with a 4-seat executive configuration with a center console for the rear passengers. It almost feels like you're sitting in a first-class cabin in an airplane. The third row has been removed and the second row sits further back than usual in order to create generous legroom for the passengers. The rear passenger space is designed for use as a private relaxation lounge or as an office. The seats are extremely plush, upholstered with premium German Nappa Leather, and you'll find cushions both on the headrest and on the seats themselves. We have a beautiful diamond stitched pattern on the seats, and these are finished in a gorgeous creme beige color. The seat functions are all electronically adjustable, everything from the reclining angle to the lumbar support to the calf rest, and have both cooling and heating functions. You'll also see a beautiful starlight studded roof, which truly elevates the atmosphere of the cabin. The patterns and colors are customizable via remote control to best suit your mood.
Now this leather-wrapped center console, guys, is not only extremely comfortable, but it's also very functional. Let's start off over here, guys, with the climate controls. You have a very nice dial over here with all your climate conditioning controls, such as your heating, your cooling, your temperatures, and your fan speed. Come over here and we have 2 wired charging ports over here to charge your phone, and we also have 1 wireless charging pad. Over here we have 2 cup holders which have both heating and cooling functions as well. And what's really cool about this is that we can actually press this button over here and the light changes into a blue color for cooling, and it changes into a red color for heating as well. The next thing we have over here, guys, is all our seat and massage controls over here. And we can control our seat ventilation also, along with an extra USB port right there. And then one of my favorite features over here is this table, the folding tray. All we gotta do is just pull it out like this and fold it open. And you have a beautiful leather-wrapped aluminum table tray, which is perfect for working on the go or having a quick meal on the go. You can just easily fold it back in like so.
We also have a storage bin over here with a premium wood trim that can be used to store small bottles or other personal items. Now the front of the GLS is pretty standard. The front seats have been upholstered with MBS German Nappa Leather to match the color and stitching of the rear seats. This vehicle is fully spec'd out with front massage seats, panoramic roof, and much more. It comes with Mercedes-Benz's latest infotainment system called MBUX, which is extremely responsive, intuitive, and really one of the best out there.
So that was about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. That was the beautiful Mercedes-Benz GLS580 MBS Edition. As always guys, this car is available for export no matter where you are in the world, and if you have a GLS580 and you'd like to upgrade your seats, go ahead and send us an inquiry. We'd be happy to send our technicians out no matter where you are. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more exciting automotive content from Mercury Global Dubai. Stay tuned.